A lot of people dodged the bullet, as we heard in Texas. So let's hear for more on how Laura is now just a storm now with our chief meteorologist, Zach Daniels. Zach?
All right, thank you, Rob. Yeah, Laura moved in again as early this morning, just after midnight, as tying for the most intense hurricane to ever hit the Louisiana coast. And once it moved inland, it has weakened considerably. Let me show you what we've got first off outside. Then we're going to get to everything on Laura and what to expect here in Virginia. It's 91 outside, but it's humid. We have a dew point of 73, much different than yesterday. That makes it feel like 99. We have a southwest breeze at about 15 miles per hour. And looking at other temperatures across Virginia, they are mostly in the low 90s, but we do have some mid to upper 80s in areas where the cloud cover is a little bit thicker. We have overcast skies here in Richmond right now. Heat index is mid to upper 90s in most spots, but it's 101 out in Kilmarnock and 102 up in Fredericksburg. All right, here's a look right now through our Sky Tracker Millionaire Cam, and you can see the overcast skies that we have. And there's the very latest on Tropical Storm Laura. It continues to move north through central sections of Arkansas, and it's moving just a little bit east of true north right now. And there are the very latest particulars on it. Winds 50 miles per hour sustained, north-northeast movement at 15 miles per hour. It will move right across the boot heel of Missouri, and it will turn more of an easterly direction as we get into tomorrow and Saturday, crossing Virginia during the day on Saturday. As it does so, it is going to bring us some impact. The wind's not going to be significant. It'll be a little bit breezy, some gusts possibly up to 35. This would be outside of any thunderstorms if this spawns. And then rainfall 1 to 2 inches possible in some areas, but the main threat here I would see is mainly tornadoes, with the overall wind shear increasing as Laura moves through. I do think there'll be the potential for some tornadoes, some damaging wind gusts, and maybe some flash flooding as well. There is the threat put out by the Storm Prediction Center. It's a slight risk for the entire area for damaging winds and tornadoes associated with post-tropical cyclone Laura. That's what it will be when it moves through here. And there are the threat levels: flash flooding, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Some moderate threat of those, lower end threat of large hail. All right, so let's check it out hour by hour. The rest of tonight, we have a few storms out there. Those will weaken. Not much expected for tonight. During tomorrow, we'll see some showers and storms developing in the afternoon and evening. But then as we get into Saturday, that's when things get a little more interesting. Laura will move in, and we'll see showers and storms moving in, little bands of rain coming in with embedded thunderstorms. The more sunshine we get, the more unstable the atmosphere will get, and the greater potential for some severe storms and some tornadoes. We're going to be having the Weather Center fully staffed with team coverage throughout the day to make sure that you are on top of it. Out there right now, some storms to our north across southern New England and the southeastern sections of the Great Lakes. Have a little cluster storms moving into far western Virginia as well. These storms are not severe, but some heavy rainfall out in Augusta County, Highland County, and Bath counties. These are moving east-southeast, and there's a chance to have a few sprinkles in here a little bit later on in Richmond. Lows tonight will be in the low to mid 70s, and highs tomorrow right back up into the low and mid 90s, very similar to today. I do expect the heat index to make it well into triple digits for a few hours. This is how it's going to feel over the next 24 hours starting right now, and I do expect, again, over 100 tomorrow afternoon at times. So be very careful if we're going to spend time outside. Take breaks, drink plenty of fluids. All right, slight chance for a shower storm by 6 p.m. tomorrow. Better chance tomorrow night on into Saturday. And there's your 7-day forecast. The better of the 2 weekend days by far will be Sunday. It looks to be a great outdoor day with lots of sunshine, a high of 85. And we'll keep the 80s for a few days before the heat and the humidity and a better chance of storms arrives. And believe it or not, September arrives next Tuesday.
All right, Zach, thank you.